Now, join me as I will show you how to install these scripts. Please follow my step.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent.
So once it is done uploading, you'll see it in your file manager, as you can see right here. So what you need to do now is to upload them to extract the script from the zip file. So let's extract it. So now I have extracted it, and before we proceed to our domain name, let's go to the file manager settings. Make sure that show all hidden file is enabled. So once you are done, just click on save, and now go to your domain name. Just visit your domain name and visit it to take us to the install page. Then you click on start installation to direct you here. Then you click on next. Then here, right here is where you need to add your database and app configuration. So what we need to do now is to create our database account. So let's go back to our cPanel and go to database wizard, and then add our database name. You can add any name you want. So I'm adding something like this. So now let's paste our password and come back here, copy this too, and also paste our username here and also here. So once we are done doing this, you can come here, this app name, you can change it, enter your project name, enter your project name. So once you're done entering your project name, you click save and continue. So let's click save and continue. So now it takes us to the admin account setup. So what we need to do here is to enter our admin name, admin email, and admin password. So let's enter your admin name and password. So once you are done adding admin name, admin email, and admin password, you can click on create admin. So it will take us to the final, which is the finishing page, where you will see installation complete. Your OptiVest HYIP investment scripts platform have been successfully installed. So you can now go to your admin dashboard, or you can restart the installer. So now let's go to the admin dashboard. But before we go there, remember that there is an important security message right here. As you can see, they said, please remove or restrict access to the install folder after setup. So once you are done installing it, you have to go to there and delete the install folder. Delete the install folder, which is, if you go to here, this is the install folder. You need to do what to delete it. So now let's go back here and then go to our admin dashboard. As you can see, here is our admin dashboard. So let's click on enter your password one. So I'm not entering it, I'll just click login. It's taking me to the admin dashboard now. Wow. So here is my admin dashboard. Let's go to the general settings. Here is the general settings. So everything is intact. You can enable or disable user registration. You can enable email verification. You can enable referral system. You can also enable KYC verification. So as you can see, so you can also enable your live chat. So this place, you can add anything. When I mean anything, you can add anything, any live chat code here. Just copy your live chat code wherever, in any way you created it, and just paste it here. Make sure that this enable live chat is on. Paste it here, and that is fine. The live chat will display on your website. So once you are done with that, here is our cron job. So if you want your investment to be dropping automatically, just copy this link and go to your cron job and paste it. This is what you're going to copy. Let me show you. Copy this. But anyway, I'll be dropping it on my description. So if you need, or if you have any issue, just message me. If the investment is not dropping, send us a message on our WhatsApp number displaying on the screen. We will help you. So free of charge. We're going to help you free of charge. So now let's go to the here. So we have many pages here. Here you can clear your website. Then here is also system information. Here is manage extensions. We have a lot of extensions here, and there are some that are still coming soon. So definitely we'll be giving you updates free of charge. So if you enable this, automatically you know what this means. So once you enable any of them, it will display on your site. And here is the manage referrals. So here in manage referrals, you will be able to set up percentage that you want users to be receiving from each referral they make. And here is manage users. From here, you can see all users, all registered users. You can also delete user from here. You can suspend user from here. You can add balance and do anything that you want to do. So you can also add user from here. So if you click on add user, it will take you here where you'll be able to add users. You can see. So here, another one is manage plans. So here you will be able to manage, you'll be able to delete, you'll be able to add, you'll be able to edit your investment plan. So if you click on add, so here is it. You'll be able to add any. When I mean any. So now let's go to manual gateway, where you will be able to add manual payments gateway. So when you click on add, it will take you where you'll be able to set up your manual payments gateway. You can add multiple things that you want to add here. You can see, you can remove them. So let me also take you to, here is the automatic payments gateway, where you'll be able to enable or disable automatic payments. As you can see, we have PayPal, we have a lot. We have Paystack, we have Flutterwave, we have NowPayment, and so many. So let's go to withdrawal method. This place is also where you'll be able to add withdrawal method. So you can see. So here is a maintenance mode. So if you want to put your website or your site in the maintenance mode, just simply once you enable this, then you copy the link that you see here. Once you have enabled it, remember, once you have enabled it, another link will show for you to copy. That is the link that admin can use to bypass the maintenance mode. So what else? No other place. So now let's quickly go to the dashboard. Sorry, the dashboard. Here is our front view. Sorry, here is our front view. So as you can see, there's one more thing I left to show you. I forgot to show you. Sorry. Here is manage page, where you'll be able to manage to edit anything in the front end. So you can see we have the landing page, we have the about page, we have the privacy policy, we have the contact page, we have FAQ and terms and conditions, with also testimony section 2. You'll be able to edit them from here. So it is very easy. Now let's go back here again, and we added one bonus for you. So here is what's it called? Language translator. So you can translate it to the website. So if you go to login, this is the login page, and this is the register page. So let me quickly register 1 or 2 users and show you how it is. Okay, you can view. Let's create users account. So let's go to the users dashboard. Is the users dashboard. You can see everything is moving smoothly. So thank you for watching this video, and if today is the first time, please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload any beautiful script like this. And if you want to buy the script, like I said earlier, if you want to buy the script, please visit us on, get it on our website, or you message us on the number displaying on the screen so that you get it. Thank you.